Welcome to SEO Basics for Content Creators. In this video, we'll explore how to optimize your content so more people can find it through search engines like Google. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media creator, understanding SEO will help you grow your audience organically. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the practice of improving your online content so it ranks higher in search results. When someone searches for a topic related to your content, you want your video or article to appear at the top of the results. Better rankings mean more visibility and more potential viewers. SEO is crucial for content creators because it drives free, organic traffic to your content. Unlike paid advertising, SEO helps people discover you naturally when they search for topics you create about. This builds a sustainable audience that keeps coming back. Good SEO also increases your credibility and authority in your niche. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. Start by identifying keywords related to your content. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find keywords with decent search volume and low competition. Choose long-tail keywords, which are longer phrases that are more specific and easier to rank for. For example, instead of just SEO, try SEO for beginners or SEO tips for YouTubers. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements on your actual content page. Include your main keyword in the title, meta description, and headings. Keep your title between 50 and 60 characters. Write a compelling meta description in 150 to 160 characters that encourages clicks. Use your keywords naturally throughout your content, but don't overuse them. Add internal links to your other relevant content and external links to authoritative sources. High-quality content is the foundation of good SEO. Write content that genuinely helps your audience solve a problem or answer a question. Longer content typically ranks better. Aim for at least 1,500 words for blog posts, but quality matters more than quantity. Break your content into sections with clear headings, use short paragraphs, and include examples or case studies. Make sure your content is original and provides unique value that competitors don't offer. Technical SEO refers to the back-end aspects of your website or platform. Ensure your site loads fast because page speed affects rankings. Make your content mobile-friendly since most searches happen on phones. Use proper heading tags, starting with H1 for your main title, then H2 and H3 for subheadings. Create an XML sitemap to help search engines discover all your content. Use descriptive alt text for images. These technical details help search engines understand and index your content better. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to your content. They act as votes of confidence for your site. High-quality backlinks from authoritative websites improve your rankings significantly. Build backlinks by creating shareable, high-quality content that others want to link to. Guest post on relevant websites in your niche. Reach out to industry influencers and ask them to share your content. Participate in online communities and mention your content when relevant. The more quality backlinks you have, the stronger your SEO authority becomes. Use tools to monitor and improve your SEO performance. Google Analytics shows how much traffic you get and where it comes from. Google Search Console displays which keywords bring visitors to your site. SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz provide keyword research, competitor analysis, and ranking tracking. Use Google Trends to see what topics are gaining interest. Track your keyword rankings over time. Monitor your click-through rate and average position in search results. Data-driven decisions help you optimize faster. Avoid keyword stuffing, which means overusing keywords unnaturally. This makes your content read poorly and search engines penalize it. Don't publish duplicate content across multiple pages. Instead, create unique content for each page. Neglecting mobile optimization is a critical mistake since most users browse on phones. Don't ignore technical aspects like page speed and broken links. Avoid low-quality backlinks from spammy websites. Don't expect instant results. SEO takes time and consistent effort to show results. Remember, SEO is a strategic investment that compounds over time. Focus on creating quality content that serves what your audience is searching for. Monitor your performance with analytics and adjust your strategy based on real data. Start implementing SEO today and watch your content reach grow. Every optimization counts. Begin with one strategy and build from there. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your SEO journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.